Now, as we talk about doctors' safety and issues of how doctors are pushing for better security at hospital, there's currently massive protests taking place at the Sion Hospital in Mumbai. Remember, this comes just days after two people were in fact detained after a woman resident doctor was assaulted allegedly by a drunk patient and his family members at the Sion Hospital. And this taking place, the doctors at the Sion Hospital are now in fact saying that despite the Kolkata incident taking place, despite the fact that there is a brutal case of a doctor's rape and murder being reported out of Kolkata, where doctors are now across the country pushing for safety at their workplace, this incident taking place just days after that horrific incident in Kolkata. Now, this incident in Mumbai is completely unacceptable. Take a look at this report which has been sent in by my colleague Anuj.
We're currently present here in the Sion Hospital, and this hospital is important today for several reasons. Firstly, because it has been in the forefront of the doctors' movement here in Maharashtra, doctors' protest in Maharashtra. And secondly, just a few hours ago we saw one incident take place here as well, which is why we can see that doctors from several hospitals have come here demanding for justice and demanding for several other things. Amongst, of course, one of them being fast tracking of the case when it comes to the RJ Kar Hospital. We'll just come here and we'll talk to them about what their demands are actually in reality. So tell me that it has been over a week since this protest began, and Sion Hospital, of course, has been affected more because we can see what happened a few hours ago here. A woman doctor was assaulted. So firstly, tell me, how is the mood in the hospital after that incident happened?
Everyone are agitated and everyone has the same demand that security should be demanded. We are not demanding something which is out of the box and something which can't be given. This is the basic thing which every law, administration and police which can be handled if handled properly. If government want to handle, they can handle it very properly. But main question is, what is their intention? If intention is that everything can be done very properly.
They have been making a lot of promises so far, but actually nothing has been happening on the ground. You know, on top of Kolkata incident, we have another incident happening in Sion. We are dejected, we are furious, we are sad. We are frankly sad. I mean, I was on a night duty. I haven't slept for the last 14 hours. I had to come here because I heard this news. This is how they treat the servants of the nation. We take very, very small, paltry salaries. We work for the welfare of common people. Our sisters, our females are not safe here. This is not acceptable.
जो कोलकाता में हुआ वो तो हीनियस है ही, पर हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि मुंबई सेफ है. जो कोलकाता में हुआ वो वायलेंस यहाँ तक पहुँच रहा है, और आज फीमेल डॉक्टर्स दे आर नॉट सेफ इन द हाउस, outside the house, the hospital being the second home of the female, but वहाँ वो सेफ नहीं फील कर रही है. तो वो सेफ कहाँ है और उसके लिए बात करने के लिए कौन है, और अगर वो बात करती है तो उसकी आवाज़ कहाँ तक पहुँचती है. ये आउटरीच सबके लिए है. आज डॉक्टर्स के लिए बात करने के लिए कौन है, और ये सबको अभी लग रहा है कि ये एक डॉक्टर्स के ऊपर नहीं है पर एक सोशल भी मामला हो चुका है, क्योंकि ये सब जगह फैल रहा है. इट्स लाइक अ ग्लोबल पैंडेमिक.
Even the amount of patients that are coming, that are more than what any other private hospital can face. So after facing so much of relatives, after having so much of grievances that the patient is in pain, there is total disproportion between the amount of facility that we have and the population that Mumbai has. So at least you should provide security so that you can control or do the crowd management. This is not doctor's job to manage the crowd. Are we here to treat doctors or to treat patients or manage crowd?
We see some important points being made here. It is not just about one particular thing, but as we've been saying it since day one, it is a multifaceted issue at the end of the day. The security, the number of security personnel present not just in this hospital but hospitals across the city is a point of concern for several of these doctors here, amongst of course several other things, which includes prioritizing the safety and security of the women doctors. With camera person Hemant, this is Anuj Raite reporting from NDTV 24/7 in Mumbai.